my company, my business, Infinite Equity. It's not my slogan, but it's just our mission to go back to those that need built. Meaning that, let me give you an analogy or an example. Wealthy or rich people, the only thing that separates wealthy and poor, destitute or broke people, and rich people, wealthy, is the communication. So people don't know how to communicate or don't want to. And then you get into the areas of like gatekeeping information. It's not really about that. It's about like irritating spirits. You don't want to mix them. So me, I go back to those that need built. That communication gap starts within yourself first. So forget about the world's wealthy and poor. In that communication gap, communicate with yourself before you communicate with the outer you, with the world.